What's good, everyone? My name is Kingsley from Oppa Media, and today I'm going to show you the secrets behind getting an automated AI booking machine. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you exactly step by step with a case study how I'm doing this, using Go High Level. So if you're a coach, if you are a trainer, if you run some sort of training center, if you own a gym, if you own a restaurant, and you need people to be walking into your business to conduct this activity, and you need them to book an appointment, schedule an appointment for you, stay tuned because this video is going to help you a lot. Alright, let's get into it. The case study here is actually my friend Jeff from Artisan Blue, and he actually does the only Riedel wine tasting experience in Malaysia. So let me show you how it is before. He used to send his clients, these text messages over WhatsApp to explain, what his classes is about, right? So, taste 4 different grape varietals with Riedel Performance Glass Series, history of non-Riedel glass. And this is the date, this is the time, and how much it is. So what is the issue that he's facing, right? So the issue that he's facing is, he has to explain his offer one by one. He has to explain, okay, this is what you're gonna get, this is what you're gonna get, and he has to explain it one by one to his prospects. And second of all, booking a class is tedious, right? Securing the time, right? When are you free, right? When are you free, right? Alright, let's have this class at this time, right? So booking a class was a tedious process for him. One of the bigger problem is when people say, hey, I'm going to come, but they don't actually show up, right? So that's a problem as well. So low show up rates. I was telling him, I was like, hey Jeff, what if we can automate the entire process, from A to Z, and you can literally get bookings while you sleep, right? You don't even have to lift a finger for this booking to happen, and this AI booking machine is just gonna help you to do everything from A to Z, right? Without having you to do any work, right? So I'm gonna show you exactly how in this video. So first of all, I created an offer for him. So it's called the only Riedel tasting experience in Malaysia, and I actually compiled all of his photos, put it into a nice sheet like this. And next is what I call offer stacking, right? Is what the marketing world calls offer stacking, which is to list exactly, right? What are they going to get? What are your customers, what are your prospects going to get, right? If they join this, okay, so they get 4 types of wine, 2 types of cheese platter, and so on, right? So this is what they'll be getting. Then the total value of this is actually 1,900 ringgit, right? But what if we actually let you attend for not just 390 ringgit, but only 189 ringgit, right? So you set the price like 2,000 and then do it for like 189, right? So this is an irresistible offer, and to make the offer sweeter, it's a limited time offer. So we put here, while supply lasts, right? Limited up to 10 participants per class. And no, I'm not trying to make it up. This is actually true. People don't just buy products. People love buying experiences, right? So what I've done here is I've actually created flight tickets to the people who buy this experience. So we're gonna be emailing them with a flight ticket to Europe. So it feels that, wow, I don't need to pay 10,000 ringgit to go all the way to Europe to try this wine tasting experience. I can just go to this class and experience what it is. And next, I also help him to create like an automated calendar booking system, plus collecting a deposit. So one of the most effective ways, to make sure people show up is to collect a deposit, right? And we know that people who pay attention, right? If you pay money, that means you pay attention because now you're more invested into it, right? So what we've done is we've also created a booking system so that you can literally select your dates. You can literally just click on the dates that's available. And then what you do is you fill in your name, your phone number, your email address, and then you go ahead and make the payment. This will ensure that your customers are more likely to show up and come to the actual appointment itself. Last but not least is also to have an automated email and SMS reminders, right? So now that they have bought the tickets from you, what is next? What else can go wrong? So once they have bought the tickets from you, they might not show up, right? And this is where this automated email, SMS reminders comes in. Every time when someone registers, you get 2 things, right? You get number 1, an SMS, right? And number 2, you actually get an email with the ticket itself, right? So it's all automated. He used to have to do this, manually one by one, but now no, it's all automated. So after you get the tickets, you know what time it is, but now how do I actually go up to his store to access his location, right? So this is why I've actually created a step-by-step picture guide, to his shop in Artisan Blue. And it is a series of slides with pictures, as you can see here, on how you can get to his actual shop itself, so that he doesn't even have to lift an actual finger, and he just has to wait for the shop for people to come. You might be thinking, right? You might be thinking like, hey Kingsley, like, why are you shooting this video when it is not live yet, when it is not proven to work yet? And the reason behind this is I want this to document the journey, and also so that, like in the next video, right, when I actually go live and shit is going to happen, right? So when shit happens, right, I want to be able to document it, I want to be able to do tweaks, I want to be able to improve this website, to improve the customer experience, improve the number of prospects that my clients make. So we've come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, do give this video a like, do drop a subscribe, and do share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.